Hey guys, it's your name and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a topic that's super close to my heart, squats. I know you hear squats and think leg day, right? But guess what? Squats are so much more than just a leg exercise. They're a full-body powerhouse that can seriously level up your fitness game in ways you might not expect. We're not just talking about toned legs and a lifted booty here, though those are definitely awesome perks. Daily squats can transform your overall health and fitness, from boosting your metabolism to strengthening your core, improving your posture, and even giving you a mental boost. So, if you're ready to unlock the incredible benefits of this amazing exercise, stick around because in this video I'm breaking down exactly why you should be squatting every single day and how to incorporate them into your routine for maximum impact. Get ready to feel the burn and transform your body. Alright, let's break down why squats are the ultimate full-body exercise. When you squat, you're not just working your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, you're also engaging your core, back, and even your upper body to stabilize and lift the weight. Think about it. When you're holding that squat position, your core is working overtime to keep you upright, your back muscles are engaged to support your spine, and even your arms and shoulders are activated as you hold your form. That's a lot of muscle groups firing at once. This full-body engagement leads to increased muscle mass, which not only sculpts your physique but also boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. Talk about a win-win. And the best part? Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them a super efficient way to maximize your workout time. So, if you're short on time but want a workout that packs a punch, squats are your new best friend. But the benefits don't stop there. Squats also improve your functional fitness, making everyday activities like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or playing with your kids feel easier and more manageable. They also help prevent injuries by strengthening your joints and connective tissues, making you more resilient and less prone to aches and pains. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, incorporating squats into your routine is a surefire way to build strength, improve your overall fitness, and feel amazing from the inside out. Did you know that those squats aren't just building muscle, they're also giving your heart a fantastic workout? That's right, squats are amazing for your cardiovascular health. When you squat, your heart has to work harder to pump blood to all those large muscle groups in your legs and core. This increased demand strengthens your heart muscle, improves circulation, and can even lower your blood pressure over time. Think of it like cardio disguised as strength training. You'll be breathing heavier, your heart rate will be up, and you'll be burning calories. All signs of a great cardio session. And the best part? You don't need to spend hours on the treadmill to reap these cardiovascular benefits. Just a few sets of squats a day can make a noticeable difference in your heart health. Plus, by strengthening your legs, you're improving your body's ability to use oxygen efficiently, which means you'll have more endurance and stamina for all your favorite activities, whether it's dancing, hiking, or simply keeping up with your kids. So, not only are squats sculpting your body, but they're also strengthening your heart and improving your overall cardiovascular health. It's like a 2-for-1 deal for your fitness. Let's talk about flexibility and mobility, because contrary to what some might think, squats are incredible for improving your range of motion and keeping you feeling nimble and agile. When you perform a squat with proper form, you're taking your hips, knees, and ankles through a full range of motion, which helps to increase flexibility in these areas. This is especially important as we age, as our joints naturally tend to stiffen up. Squats also help to improve mobility by strengthening the muscles that support your joints, allowing you to move more freely and easily throughout your day. This means less stiffness, less pain, and more ease of movement in everything you do. And if you're someone who sits for long periods, squats are even more crucial. Sitting can lead to tight hip flexors and hamstrings, which can contribute to poor posture and lower back pain. Squats help to counteract these effects by stretching and strengthening these muscles, promoting better posture and reducing discomfort. But the benefits don't stop there. Improved flexibility and mobility can also enhance your athletic performance, reduce your risk of injury, and even improve your balance and coordination. So, whether you're a yogi aiming for deeper stretches, or an athlete looking to improve your performance, incorporating squats into your routine can help you move with greater ease, grace, and freedom. We've talked about the physical benefits of squats, but did you know they can also work wonders for your mental health? It's true. Exercise in general is a powerful mood booster, and squats are no exception. When you squat, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. So not only are you building a stronger body, but you're also cultivating a more positive and resilient mindset. And let's be real, seeing those physical changes in your body as you get stronger and more toned can also do wonders for your self-confidence and self-esteem. Feeling good about yourself on the inside and out is a powerful thing. Plus, the focus and discipline required to perform squats with proper form can actually have a meditative effect, helping to quiet your mind, reduce anxiety, and improve your overall sense of well-being. So, next time you're feeling stressed, anxious, or simply down, try incorporating a few sets of squats into your routine. You might be surprised at how much of a difference it can make in your mood and outlook. Let's talk about your core, because squats are a secret weapon for building a strong and stable midsection. While they might seem like a leg exercise, squats actually engage your core muscles in a major way. Think about it. When you're holding that squat position, your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back muscles are all working together to keep your torso upright and stable. This intense engagement helps to strengthen your entire core, which is essential for good posture, balance, and preventing injuries. A strong core also improves your performance in other exercises and activities, from running and jumping to simply bending over and picking something up. It's like the foundation of a strong and capable body. And the best part? Squats work your core in a functional way, mimicking movements you make in everyday life. This means you're not just building a six-pack, you're developing core strength that translates into real-life activities and makes you feel more capable and confident in everything you do. So, if you're looking to sculpt your abs, improve your posture, and build a rock-solid core, make squats a staple in your workout routine. Your body will thank you for it. There you have it, guys. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you're as excited about the power of squats as I am. Remember, squats are so much more than just a leg exercise. They're a full-body powerhouse that can transform your fitness, improve your health, and even boost your mood. From building muscle and torching calories to strengthening your heart, enhancing flexibility, and even improving your mental well-being, the benefits of daily squats are truly remarkable. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile and can be done anywhere, anytime, with or without equipment. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating squats into your daily routine and experience the incredible transformation for yourself. Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and tricks, and leave me a comment below letting me know how you like to squat. Until next time, stay fit and fabulous.